I'm here. Hello, Steve. Good afternoon from Spain. Steve, support Linta Sadaf, the one I pinned. She's a very supportive friend, please. Creeper Steve is from the USA, guys. Ayan. Ayan. Guys, please support the one I pinned. I will visit your channel later on, Linda, if you have new upload. Because later on, I am going to work now. In 4 minutes, I am going to work. And later on, I already watched all your uploads. Sí. ¿Vas a salir otra vez?
No.
Porque Gabriel dice que se va a salir, entonces. Vale. Sis Jenna, mega love shout out from Kabsat Melanie Balimbin. Ayan. I just sub to her. Thank you so much, Steve. Mami Jenna, salamat. Ayan. Sis Jenna, hello from Sis Katcha. Ayan, malapit na tayo mag-end, guys. 3 minutes more. Ayan, para naman, makompleto natin yung isang oras. Sis Katcha, alam mo yung LS mo kanina na 5 minutes, ay 13 minutes yun, di ba? Kasi nag-ikot-ikot siya. And then, nung pinuntahan ko na siya, naging 5 minutes na lang siya. So, yung mga ikot-ikot, hindi yun counted. Thank you, Creeper Steve from Linta Sadaf. Ayan. Sis AJ from Mami Jenna. Sis Katcha, ayan. From Mami Jenna. Ayan, malapit na tayong matapos, guys, ha? So, yung mga gustong mag-live stream dyan, ngayon, mag-live na kayo at pwede kong iwan habang papunta ako ng work. To those who wanted to have their live stream, guys, you can set up now and I will leave my cell phone with you. Ayan, 16 visitors in the house. Thank you so much. Ayan. Creeper Steve, see you soon from Linta Sadaf. Ayan, Sis Jenna from CCAJ. Ayan. Feel free to support each other, guys. I see your comment, Steve. Maraming salamat, guys. Ayan, mag-shoutout na tayo, guys. Baka mamaya may makalimutan ako. Creeper Steve, thank you so much. 1,181 subscribers from Creeper Steve. Oh, congratulations, my dear. Ayan, thank you so much, guys, for your kind support. Creeper Steve, thank you. Mami Jenna, Sis Katcha, at saka mga alagad mo, Sisi AJ at mga alagad. Linta Sadaf, thank you so much. Sisi Leia, maraming salamat. Kabsat Melanie Balinbin, salamat din sa support. Ayan. Sino pa ba nandito kanina? Si Kuya Ade, salamat. Ayan, sila lang naman nag-stay sa atin. Si Kabsat Melanie Balimbin, ayan. Kabsat Melanie, mag-LS ka ba? Pwede kong iwan yung isang cellphone ko sa'yo. Ayan, guys, maraming salamat sa big support ninyo. Mag-e-end na ako kasi papasok na tayo sa work. Maghahanap tayo ng gold. Ayan. Sis Jenna, Sis AJ. Ayan. Papasok tayo sa work para maghanap ng gold. Walang anuman, Sis Katya from Sis Leia. Ayan. Bye-bye na tayo, guys. Huwag niyong kalimutan yung mga tsinelas ninyo dyan. Ayan, kunin na ninyo yung mga tsinelas ninyo at mag-e-end na tayo. Thank you so much, guys. I am going to end now since Kuya Tony is here. Kuyang Tony, mag-bye-bye na kami. Always welcome, my friend, from Linta Sadaf. Ayan, bye-bye everyone. Kuyang Tony, papasok kasi ako sa work. Maghahanap pa ako ng gold. Kaya bye-bye na. Nung Tony, ako uwian na. Ayan, uwian na po tayo. Salamat. Bye-bye. Ayan, tusukin mo na lang si Sis Katya, Kuyang Tony. Maingay siya. Ayan, sorry po at next time na lang. Kuyang Tony, bye-bye na kami. Ingat-ingat po kayong lahat. Take care, everyone.